Let's talk about how much life insurance do you need. First, let's look at the primary reason people consider purchasing it. Life insurance primarily helps households continue to meet their financial needs and obligations should a major wage earner for the home die unexpectedly. Though financial security may be the main reason to purchase life insurance, many policies offer additional benefits for families and individuals, such as accumulating a cash value over time that can be used to pay premiums later, or even tapped into to help immediate life needs. Many policies offer riders or contractual provisions that may come with additional fees, but provide benefits before death for illness, long-term care, and several other situations. Because death benefit payouts are generally tax-free, policyholders sometimes use them to transfer money to heirs with fewer tax liabilities. To determine how much life insurance you need, first consider your current income, age, health, number of people who depend on your income, and then look closely at your earnings, debts, assets, savings, emergency fund, and consider future household expenses. In general, experts recommend you have 5 to 10 times your annual income covered by a life insurance policy. Let's consider an example. Amy and Dave each earn $50,000 a year and have 2 children. If one parent passed away, the household income would be cut in half. All the bills and expenses, such as mortgage, daycare, utilities, and others, would then fall on the one surviving parent. If each parent were covered by a $500,000 life insurance policy, the stress of maintaining the family's lifestyle, plans, and future would be greatly reduced. There are many types of life insurance policies, and everyone's situation is unique, with most changing over time. Therefore, it is important to talk with a licensed professional insurance agent before making any decisions. To find a life insurance agent, visit worldfinancialgroup.com and click on our agent locator to find an agent who can review your situation with you.